Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. We are about to get this hot, crazy mess of a room right and tight. It is a hot mess and but let's get it started. So this is the aftermath of me deciding that I'm gonna pack for a family trip the night before we were about to leave. So everything is just kind of all over the place. I did a bunch of laundry. I also got some gifts from my best friend, so I'm just sorting those out and deciding I'm gonna wash them. But yeah, everything is just kind of all over the place. So I absolutely do not like cleaning. I am not a professional cleaner. I know some people find cleaning therapeutic. I am not that person, but I also do not like having a chaotic space. When things are in chaos, I feel very unproductive. I feel sad. I just don't get things done. So I make sure that I take some time to clean up my space so that I can get my mind right. And so I am just going through this journey and cleaning up my space one room at a time. My sister actually gave me the idea to record myself just to see the progress that I've made over time. She said that she does that and it was super helpful for her. And so I did that, and I will say it was really helpful for me. It was nice to see where I started and where I ended. So I definitely would recommend doing that as well, because it really is kind of like a little mini reward, and you do see the progression, which is fun to want to play back. And honestly, I do find it satisfying. So as you see, this was not a one day or one night affair. It took me about 2 nights to get this done, but it was totally worth it. Like I said, I'm a mom of 3. I work full time and life be lifing. So when I do have time, that's when I get all of this stuff done. So I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Hopefully it inspires you to just clean up your space as well. It doesn't have to be perfect, but at least it's neat. And it definitely is satisfying, and it will definitely help to get your mind right once everything is just in a good space. In full mommy fashion, I am here holding my baby as she is sleeping with one hand and trying to clean with the other. I try to put her down, hoping that she would stay asleep, and baby girl absolutely woke up. So into the carrier she goes. So as much as I don't like cleaning, I do love to vacuum, especially when I have a great vacuum cleaner. I'm actually used to have a pretty good Shark vacuum cleaner, and something got stuck in the stick part of it and it just never worked the same. I did try and go through warranty and it just didn't work the same. Luckily for me, I got it from Costco, so I was able to take it back and get this Dyson animal vacuum cleaner, and I will say it is much better. It's a lot heavier than the Shark Vac, but it definitely does a good job cleaning the carpet. So another one of my favorite cleaning tools is this upholstery or bed vacuum. Man, when I tell you I love this thing, it is absolutely the best. So I try to vacuum my mattress and mattress cover at least once a month. Every time I do it, I'm like, I'm gonna try and do this at least once a week, but life be lifing. This vacuum is absolutely the best. It has this ion feature that just makes everything just smell so nice and fresh and just works great. I love a quilt cover, like a nice cotton quilt cover. It's lightweight. It also keeps you warm. It's not too hot. The downside of it is, and maybe it's just the way I wash clothes, but mine shrunk. So that is why it's not really fitting on our king size bed the way it should. But all good because we are done. I hope this was as satisfying for you as it was for me. Bye for now.